GenerLink product is a transfer switch designed for installation between the electrical meter and the meter socket. Its primary function is to provide a safe and convenient method for connecting a generator to a home's electrical system, specifically during power outages. The GenerLink transfer switch is engineered to handle a maximum power capacity of 7.2 kilowatts. This rating is crucial for determining the size and type of generator that can be safely used with the device. Connecting a generator that exceeds this power rating can overload the switch, potentially causing damage or creating a safety hazard. The installation process typically involves disconnecting the power supply at the main breaker, removing the existing meter, installing the GenerLink device between the meter socket and the meter, and then reconnecting the power. Due to the nature of this installation, it is highly recommended that a qualified electrician perform the work to ensure safety and compliance with local electrical codes. One of the key benefits of using a GenerLink transfer switch is its ability to provide a direct connection between the generator and the home's electrical panel. This eliminates the need for extension cords running through windows or doors, which can be both inconvenient and dangerous. Furthermore, a GenerLink system ensures that the generator's power is isolated from the utility grid, preventing backfeeding. Backfeeding occurs when power from the generator flows back into the utility lines, which can pose a significant risk to utility workers and damage electrical equipment. A properly installed transfer switch like GenerLink prevents this dangerous situation. The operation of the GenerLink transfer switch typically involves several steps. Firstly, during a power outage, the homeowner would switch off the main breaker in their electrical panel to isolate the home from the utility grid. Secondly, the generator is started and allowed to stabilize. Thirdly, the GenerLink switch is engaged, which connects the generator to the home's electrical system. Finally, individual circuits within the home can be selectively powered by switching on the corresponding breakers in the electrical panel. It's important to avoid overloading the generator by only powering essential circuits, such as lighting, refrigeration, and heating or cooling systems. The GenerLink device is designed to be weatherproof, allowing for safe operation in various weather conditions. However, it's crucial to follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper installation and usage to ensure the device's longevity and safety. Regular inspection of the GenerLink device and its connections is also recommended to identify any signs of wear or damage. If any issues are detected, a qualified electrician should be consulted to perform the necessary repairs or replacements. In addition to its safety features, the GenerLink transfer switch also offers a level of convenience. It eliminates the need for manual wiring changes or the use of multiple extension cords, simplifying the process of connecting a generator during a power outage. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals who may have difficulty with more complex electrical tasks. When selecting a GenerLink transfer switch, it's essential to consider the specific electrical needs of the home. The 7.2 kilowatt capacity of the GenerLink device may be sufficient for powering essential circuits in many homes. However, larger homes with higher power demands may require a more powerful transfer switch or multiple generators. It's also important to ensure that the generator being used is compatible with the GenerLink transfer switch. The generator should have the appropriate voltage and frequency output to match the home's electrical system. In most residential applications, this will be 120/240 volts alternating current at 60 Hz. Before installing a GenerLink transfer switch, it's advisable to consult with a qualified electrician to assess the home's electrical system and determine the appropriate size and type of transfer switch. The electrician can also ensure that the installation is performed safely and in compliance with all applicable electrical codes. Furthermore, it's important to familiarize oneself with the local regulations regarding the use of generators. Some jurisdictions may have restrictions on generator usage, such as noise limits or operating hours. Understanding and complying with these regulations is essential to avoid potential fines or other penalties. The GenerLink transfer switch is a valuable tool for homeowners who want to be prepared for power outages. By providing a safe and convenient way to connect a generator to the home's electrical system, it can help ensure that essential appliances and equipment continue to operate during emergencies. However, It's crucial to remember that the GenerLink device is just one component of a comprehensive emergency preparedness plan. It's also important to have a reliable generator, a supply of fuel, and a plan for how to safely operate the generator during a power outage. A well-maintained generator is essential for ensuring a reliable power supply during emergencies. Regular maintenance should include checking the oil level, cleaning the air filter, and inspecting the spark plugs. The generator should also be started and run periodically to ensure that it is in good working condition. A sufficient supply of fuel is also crucial for operating a generator during a power outage. The amount of fuel needed will depend on the size of the generator and the length of the power outage. It's advisable to store enough fuel to run the generator for several days if necessary. It's also important to store the fuel in a safe and secure location away from any potential sources of ignition. In addition to the GenerLink transfer switch and the generator itself, there are several other safety precautions that should be taken when operating a generator during a power outage. Firstly, never operate a generator indoors or in an enclosed space. Generators produce carbon monoxide, a deadly gas that can accumulate quickly in enclosed areas. Secondly, always ensure that the generator is properly grounded. This will help to prevent electrical shock. Thirdly, never refuel the generator while it is running or hot. Allow the generator to cool down completely before adding fuel. Fourthly, keep the generator away from flammable materials. The generator can produce sparks that could ignite flammable materials. By following these safety precautions, homeowners can minimize the risks associated with operating a generator during a power outage. The GenerLink transfer switch is a valuable tool for enhancing home safety and convenience during power outages. It's an electrical device that provides a safe method for connecting a portable generator to our home's electrical system. This eliminates the dangerous practice of using extension cords through windows or doors and prevents backfeeding into the utility grid. The GenerLink is installed between the home's electric meter and the meter socket by a qualified electrician. It provides a direct connection to the home's electrical panel, allowing the homeowner to power essential circuits during a power outage. The GenerLink is designed to handle up to 7.2 kilowatts of power, making it suitable for most portable generators. It is important to note that the GenerLink does not provide automatic power transfer. The homeowner must manually switch over to generator power by using a transfer switch. The GenerLink is a convenient and safe way to connect a generator to a home's electrical system. It eliminates the need for extension cords and prevents backfeeding. The GenerLink is easy to install and use, and it provides a reliable source of power during a power outage. The GenerLink transfer switch is designed to handle a specific amount of power, typically up to 7.2 kilowatts. This rating is important because it determines the maximum size of generator that can be safely connected to the switch. Connecting a generator that exceeds the switch's power rating can lead to overloading, which can damage the switch and the generator and potentially cause a fire. It is essential to choose a generator that is appropriately sized for the GenerLink transfer switch. The generator's power output should be equal to or less than the switch's power rating. If the generator's power output is too high, it could damage the switch. If the generator's power output is too low, it may not be able to provide enough power to run the desired appliances and equipment. To determine the appropriate size of generator, it is important to calculate the total power consumption of the appliances and equipment that will be powered during a power outage. This can be done by adding up the wattage of each appliance and piece of equipment. The wattage of an appliance or a piece of equipment is typically listed on a label on the device. Once the total power consumption has been calculated, it is important to choose a generator that has a power output that is slightly higher than the total power consumption. This will ensure that the generator has enough power to run all of the desired appliances and equipment without being overloaded. The GenerLink transfer switch is designed to be used with a variety of different types of generators. However, it is important to choose a generator that is compatible with the switch. The generator should have the appropriate voltage and frequency output to match the home's electrical system. In most residential applications, this will be 120/240 volts alternating current at 60 Hz. It is also important to ensure that the generator has the appropriate type of receptacle for connecting to the GenerLink transfer switch. The GenerLink transfer switch typically has the standard 30 amps or 50 amps receptacle. The generator should have a matching plug that can be connected to the receptacle. Before connecting the generator to the GenerLink transfer switch, it is important to follow all of the manufacturer's instructions. This will ensure that the generator is connected properly and that it is operated safely. The GenerLink transfer switch is a valuable tool for homeowners who want to be prepared for power outages. By providing a safe and convenient way to connect a generator to the home's electrical system, it can help ensure that essential appliances and equipment continue to operate during emergencies. However, it is important to choose a generator that is appropriately sized for the switch and that is compatible with the home's electrical system. It is also important to follow all of the manufacturer's instructions when connecting and operating the generator. The GenerLink transfer switch is a device that simplifies the connection of a generator to a home's electrical system during a power outage. It offers a safe and convenient alternative to running extension cords through windows or doors, which can be hazardous. The GenerLink is typically installed by a qualified electrician between the electric meter and the meter base. This allows for a direct connection to the home's electrical panel, enabling the homeowner to power essential circuits with a generator. The GenerLink is designed to handle a specific amount of power, usually up to 7.2 kilowatts, which is sufficient for most portable generators. It's crucial to ensure that the generator's power output does not exceed this limit to prevent overloading the switch and potentially causing damage or a fire. The GenerLink transfer switch does not automatically switch over to generator power. The homeowner must manually switch over by using a transfer switch, which isolates the home from the utility grid and connects it to the generator. This prevents backfeeding, a dangerous situation where power from the generator flows back into the utility lines, potentially endangering utility workers. The GenerLink is a convenient and safe way to connect a generator to a home's electrical system. It eliminates the need for multiple extension cords and prevents backfeeding. The GenerLink is easy to install and use and provides a reliable source of power during a power outage. The GenerLink transfer switch is a device that allows homeowners to safely and easily connect a portable generator to their home's electrical system during a power outage. It eliminates the need for extension cords and prevents backfeeding, which can be dangerous. The GenerLink is installed between the home's electric meter and the meter base by a qualified electrician. It provides a direct connection to the home's electrical panel, allowing the homeowner to power essential circuits during a power outage. The GenerLink is designed to handle up to 7.2 kilowatts of power, making it suitable for most portable generators. It is important to note that the GenerLink does not provide automatic power transfer. The homeowner must manually switch over to generator power by using a transfer switch. The GenerLink is a convenient and safe way to connect a generator to a home's electrical system. It eliminates the need for extension cords and prevents backfeeding. The GenerLink is easy to install and use, and it provides a reliable source of power during a power outage. The GenerLink transfer switch simplifies connecting a generator to your home's electrical system during power outages. Installed by an electrician between your electric meter and its base, it offers a direct connection to your electrical panel, powering vital circuits without hazardous extension cords. Designed for up to 7.2 kilowatts, it suits most portable generators, requiring manual switching to generator power via a transfer switch to prevent dangerous backfeeding into utility lines. The GenerLink offers safety and convenience, ensuring a reliable power source during outages. When using the GenerLink transfer switch with a generator, prioritize safety. Firstly, never run a generator indoors or in an enclosed space, as it produces deadly carbon monoxide. Secondly, ensure the generator is properly grounded to prevent electrical shock. Thirdly, before refueling, turn off the generator and let it cool down to avoid fires. Fourthly, keep the generator away from flammable materials to prevent accidental ignition. Always follow the manufacturer's guidelines for both the GenerLink and the generator to ensure proper operation and safety. Remember to test your generator regularly to ensure it is in good working order for when you need it most. Also be sure to have fuel stored in a safe place.